Hello everyone, this is Winston and today is April 16, 2026, Thursday, and it's a very unfortunate day for us because our stop loss is triggered and it's a hard stop loss. What's the hard stop loss mean? It means we won't trade it again in this period to avoid revenge trade. We want to make money using other trade, not this thing again to avoid our emotional involved to want to make the money back. You know what I mean? And although I'm very bearish because look, the war is still going. The ceasefire is about to end. This means they can attack again, not to mean that they can't attack now, but technically they still honor the ceasefire, and the ceasefire end. This means there's no need to honor the ceasefire anymore. The credit crisis is still going, probably much worse in my opinion. But here's the thing, that's my opinion, and that's maybe your opinions as well. But the market is the master. The market is the ultimate. So you have to believe the market is the total of billions trader that agree that market should going up. It doesn't matter about my opinion and your opinion. If the market from the lows go up to all-time high in just 2 weeks, it means we missed something, not market is wrong. Never say market is wrong. If you say market is wrong, you definitely is the wrong one, not the market. Because today we have stock another green. We have stock another green. SP 500 another green day. Russell another green, but again oil green today. So the war is not really over, and bonds is down. So bonds down is also a pressure to stock. Yet stock still green. This means we're missing something. Do you understand? This means there's something we miss, and we not account in our thesis yet. Now, usually, historically, when the hard stop loss trigger, we have 60% is we reverse. Meaning, if we short stock and we have it triggered, it means the stock will go back. So it's very sad that it's triggered, but remember this 40% that our account will blow up. But remember, the 40% is to keep us alive, not blowing up the accounts. And if we still alive, then we will have another chance in another day to make money. We don't have to overcommit to this trade and in love with it, and it have to be successful or we die. No, we don't need that. We don't want that to happen. So I want to keep us alive, and obviously I was wrong. So just cut the loss and move on. That's the hard decision that I have made today, and I will live with it. Now Bitcoin is the weakest of them all in the risk on assets. It doesn't make new high. Obviously, it's very far from new highs. It doesn't make new high of this leg even. It just hover around. Meanwhile stock already all-time high. You not see this because the future. If I change to QQQ, it's a ETF 100, the biggest company in the Nasdaq. You see it's all-time high already. Yeah, and SPY, SP 500, all-time high already. Russell, all-time high close. Not all-time high yet, just a tad away, but it's an all-time high close. So there's many lessons in today, and I hope you use me as the expand to learn. So if it's all-time high, it means short doesn't work. Now I have a question for you. How many times the market top and bottom? Do you know? It's just one. Only one day the market bottom. Only one day the market top. But it can be 1,000 days the market grinding up. It could be 1,000 days the market grinding down. If it's close on lows of the lows, or it break all-time high, you don't want to reverse it. You don't want to fade that trend just yet. How about gold? Gold is very weak. Even low crest, even close red today. Yeah, even low red today. Same with silver. We have Canadian dollars can be a good alternative to short stock, because everyone is long in Australian, and Australian usually correlate with the stock market, and the sentiment is also support the trend, because Australian want to keep the rate highs, and meanwhile Trump tend to want the rate down. So that's why the currency, the Australian currency, is at the high right now. Not all-time high, of course, but it's the high of this day. So I will see. Of course, we need to wait for a news failure. Something that's very bullish for the Australian, but it's going down instead of going up. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand what my decision, and I will keep you updated. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.